Good morning. This is just midnight, but it is morning. So, guys, currency is collected. So, why not give one more try? This is going to be the second attempt, and I am thinking to use a different setup. I don't know, I may even lose. So, this is the squad, and they are good. Thinking to use a Phasma here, and I afraid because Phasma and Executioner also help increase the taunt meter, and Unmasked and Stormtrooper they help taunt. So I already pressed that button. I'm thinking to use that ability that increase look at yourself. You wanted to prove to my mother that you were a Jedi, but you have proven something else. The dark side is in our nature. Surrender to it. No. So I'm thinking to use this ability. Swap taunt meter with target ally. All damage dealt by the target ally is increased by 50%. Then they lost taunt if they have it and become untargetable and can't be defeated. These effects last for 2 taunts and can't be dispelled or prevented. Oops, just for 2 taunts, guys. I thought they will be undefeatable for. Oh no, what did I do? I had to mastery. It's alright though. Okay, he gained damage immunity. Another guy also gained damage immunity. So basic. I think that button is not good enough. Just for 2 taunts. I thought throughout the battle. Well, these guys are taking much damage. Even Ray got that. Yeah, she started slaughtering. Yes. So it will be obviously. Um, oh my goodness! Critically hit. So this time, obviously, Ray will attack first order Stormtrooper. I just don't know what to do. So do this because she will definitely target. She is critically hit. Yes, see, guys. First order Stormtrooper is survived. Yes. And wow. They didn't die and it worked a little faster. We are died in the Force, Ray. Two that are one. We will defeat the Emperor together and take the throne. This is. I just. The previous video was. I copied from YouTube. And here I thought to change the setup. And guys, they didn't die faster. And we beat. It was quite faster. So Unmasked gained mastery a little faster, and okay, this became 2. This is much better, isn't it? So Hawks just protected first order Stormtrooper because it is every time Ray is slaughtering from right side. It was on mass first and first rotation trooper next. Yes, and it worked. This is much better. So thanks for watching. Let's find out something new and better, right? This one is better, guys. So keep watching, keep playing, keep enjoying. See you, my dear friends. See you.